Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ranjit Pawar holding this video on conditional statements in JavaScript. A conditional statement is a type of JavaScript statement that tells the browser to evaluate a condition such as whether or not a user ID and the password are valid, and based upon this evaluation, either execute or skip one or more statements in the JavaScript. In either way, we can say a conditional statement is a set of commands that executes if the specified condition is true. JavaScript supports two conditional statements, if-else statement and switch statement. We will see how this is done in this video. Learning outcome is conditional statements in a JavaScript. At the end of this video, you will able to learn if statement, different forms of if statement, switch statement, and some sample programs on them in a JavaScript. Like many other programming languages, JavaScript also allows you to write code that perform different actions based on the result of logical or comparative test conditions at runtime. This means you can create test conditions in the form of expressions that evaluates to either true or false. And based on these results, you can perform certain actions. There are several conditional statements in JavaScript that you can use to make decisions. There are two decision-making statements in JavaScript, if-else statements having several forms of it, and switch case statement. The if statement tells the browser to execute one or more statements if a conditional expression is true. And the switch case statement compares one value to one or more known values. Statements that are associated with a known value are executed if the match occurs. The if statement is one of the most powerful statements that you will use in JavaScript. You can use three forms of the if statement: simple if else, and else if ladder. We will discuss each of these statements in detail in coming sections. Here we can see the simple if statement in JavaScript. The simple if statement has three parts: the if keyword, a conditional expression, and the code block that contains statements that are executed if the expression is true. Here we can see the syntax of if statement in a JavaScript. In an example, in a given script, user ID and password is taken from the user using prompt function. Once user has provided user ID and password, it checks with the original user ID and password, and this code displays login valid using alert message box when matching successfully. You can enhance the decision-making capabilities of your JavaScript program by providing an alternative choice through adding else statement to the if statement. The if-else statement allows you to execute one block of a code if specified condition is evaluated to true, and another block of code if it is evaluated to false. It can be written as given in a syntax. In a given code, this code will display whether the given number is greater than or less than 10. The JavaScript code in a given example will output given number is greater than 10 if given value of a number variable is more than 10. Otherwise, it will output given number is less than 10. Ladder else if is another form of decision making statement. It evaluates the statement only if condition is true from several conditions. Else if statement can be used many times in the program. If two conditions are false, it means else statement is executed. It can be written as given in the syntax. The JavaScript code in the given example will output given number 1 is greater than number 2 if first condition is true. If first condition is false and second condition is true, then it will output given number 1 is less than number 2. Otherwise, it will output both numbers are equal. If there are multiple conditions to be evaluated, then we can use chain of if-else statements. If you chain many if-else statements, the code will become hard to read and difficult to maintain. In such situations, you should use the switch statement that we will see in the next part of the video. In this part of video, you will learn how to use switch case statement to test or evaluate an expression with different values in a JavaScript. The switch is a conditional statement like if statement. The switch statement is used to perform different actions based on different conditions. The switch case statement is an alternative to multiple else if statement, which does almost the same thing. To improve the readability of a program, multiple if-else statements can be replaced with a switch statement. As per the above syntax, switch statement contain an expression. An expression will return a value when evaluated. The switch can includes multiple cases where each case represents a particular value. Code under particular case will be executed when case value is equal to the return value of a switch expression. If none of the cases matches with the switch expression value, then the default case will be executed. In the switch case statement, using the break statement will cause an immediate exit from the switch statement as soon as the code under the code is executed. Here we can see a JavaScript program to display season from month of a year using if statement. In this script, month number is taken as a 5, and if month number is between 2 and 5, then this program displays this is a summer season. Then if month number is between 6 and 9, then it displays it's a rainy season, and otherwise it will display winter season. So here in this example, else if ladder is used. This is the form of if statement. This is a JavaScript program to display season from a month of a year using switch case statement. Here, month number is an expression of a switch statement, and the month number value is taken as 3. When that expression is evaluated, then the month number value is 3 is matched with the value of expression, So it goes to case number 3, and there is no any code, there is no break, so it fall through into the code. It goes to the case number 4, then it goes to case number 5, and it will display this is a summer season, and then the break is found in the code. It means it will break the switch statement and it will stop. When we change the month number value as 8, then it will match the case number 8 and it will display the output as rainy season. Likewise, when we change the month number as suppose 1, then it goes to the case number 1 and it will print this is a winter season.